Okay, hello friends, this is Pradeep Yadav. Today we have Mr. Aftab Alam. Now we are going to discuss how anyone can improve their spoken English. So Aftab Alam, can you tell something about yourself to our viewers so we can start our interview?
Yeah. Yeah, sir. First of all, good morning, good afternoon to all of you. And before going to start my introduction, I would like to thank to Pradeep, bro, who has given me such a nice opportunity to introduce myself. Well, my name is Aftab Alam. I am from Delhi. And as far as my qualification is concerned, I have done my graduation in 2018. As soon as I completed my graduation, then I have also done 1 year course, certified industrial accounting from the Institute of Computer Accounting. And now I'm pursuing Master of Commerce, MCOM. According to my family, I have a 12 members in my family, and I'm the youngest one. So that's all about me, Pradeep.
Okay, Mr. Aftab, can you tell me how listening and reading can improve spoken English?
Yeah, this is a really important question. Actually, listening is really important for any language. I'm not just saying that if you're learning English, then listening is important. Listening is important for any language. I will take you in childhood. When you born, that time you did not know any language. Then how did you learn your language? Because you listened too much. You got an environment to listen your parents what they are saying and your family members what they are saying. Then you start absorbing them, and it will take 2 and 3 hours to understand your their language. And after that, you started understanding. So it means that listening is very important. The more you listen, the more you will understand. This is not for any language. This is for only a this is for any language. So I would say that listening is really important. If you listen every day, then definitely listening will improve your spoken English, and whether it would be any language you can. If I talk about reading, reading is also important. Why? Because when you reading something, that then we will be able to pronounce the word, how to pronounce the word. If you face me in difficulty to pronounce, then you can correction yourself how to pronounce the word. And you if you are reading the book, anything you are reading book, then first of all you will get a vocabulary power. You can enhance your vocabulary, because vocabulary is also important for speaking English. Because of some lack of word meaning, then we get stuck in while speaking. That's vocabulary is also important. And one more thing is that uh, yeah, reading enhance your vocabulary. Reading enhance your pronunciation. So this is the way you can improve, and you can improve yourself about English. So this is the way.
Okay, Mr. Aftab, can you tell some other tips for improving spoken English except reading and listening? What can be other tips?
Yeah, if I would say that apart from listening and reading, you can do one thing, that think in English. Because we generally, what we do, we translate to our mother tongue in Hindi, and after that we translate in English. So it is really really bad, because we have to stop this. If I would say one thing, that if I'm thinking in Hindi, right, if I am thinking Hindi, I will not speak in another language. I will speak only in Hindi. Same like that English. If you are learning English, then you should try to speak in English, think in English. I know this is our not our first language, it will face a difficulty, but you should try to think in English. Whatever you are saying, whether it would be saying a first word, one word, two words, so try to speak in English, not another language. Another, you should not you the process of translation is really really good. If you are translate into your mother tongue after you speaking, you can speak, but you will not have much fun. You will speak, you will not look confident. So try to think in English, and after you speak. So this, according to me, this is the way you can improve your English, other method except reading or listening.
Okay, Mr. Aftab, I have a very important question. There are many people who are following all the tips which is given by any expert, as like reading, listening, and
Yeah.
also, watching movie. They are following everything, but still they are not unable, still they are not able to speak English. Why? What can be main reason for that?
Yeah, I have a reason because why the people are not getting improvement in English after doing hard work. They know everything about grammar, so many things, reading, listening, everything is do. What is the problem? You know what? We focus on result. We try to focus on result, not to the process. So when we started speaking English, that time we do, result. We see the result. When we try to speak, when we speak in 1 month, 2 months, when we try to, see the result, how is my fluency, how is my talking? If you're not getting anything that in last, what do? You quit. So this is the main reason. You should not focus on your, fluency. It will take time because you are learning other language. This is not first our language. So it will take time, so you should make habits to practice in English. If you are going to gym, right? So when you started going to the gym, then first time you do the gym and you come back at your home, you start seeing your muscles, biceps. So in a day by day you are seeing your muscles. So how I improvement? But you are not seeing the process, you are seeing the result. So it will be take only for a minute, so it is not going to work. Same like that in English, we should try to focus on process, not result. And second thing is that wrong method, grammatical. We Most of the people think about too much grammar. I know about it, grammar is important, but grammar is important for your school. If you are preparation for government examination, any competitive examination, that time grammar is important for you much. But if I talk about, if you are really want to fluent in English, then you should not think about much grammar. Yeah, initially you will do a lot of mistake, but you should practice and you should not think about the grammar. Because of this, people are thinking about grammar, that's why they are not able to fluent in English. They are getting stuck, they are not able to fluent in English. So after that, because of this reason. And another reason is that lack of consistency. We generally do, initially we had a passion to improve our English, and we did a lot of hard work to improve English. We should do many things, but because of lack of confidence, we did not do well. We quit. Because this is a language, it will take, this is not going to, this is a not child play. If you are making consistency, then definitely you will be able to speak English. And because of, if I take example that if you're going to gym, again I'm giving you example that if you're going to gym, so if you're going to gym in 2 months and 3 months and 1 month, you cannot see the result, you cannot affect your body. So what is going to happen? In that case, if you will lose, if you will quit, then you can never make a good body. So same like that English, if you are making consistency, and if you are doing practice daily, so definitely you will be improve your English. This is the way. And people, why they not improve? This is the reason. And other reason is that accepting happen, accepting a music happen in 30 days. I have seen so many coaching center, and also have seen YouTube. They are providing what, in 7 days, in 40 days challenge, you can improve your English. So it is not going to improve yourself. Because I'm not going to blame any coaching center, because everyone is good, they are going effort good. But some of coaching center, they have an intention to take money from the student, and that's it. And this is the way. So let me tell you that how did you your how much time did you improve your mother tongue? It is take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months? Not. It will take 2 and 3 months. Same like that about English. If you are giving time in English, then definitely you will be able to speak English. So this is the reason why people is not improving. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think practice is more important to improve your
Yeah,
spoken English,
yeah,
because as you
definitely.
mentioned example of
Yeah.
gym, I think Mr. Aftab, this was a really a good interview, and also you have put up some very good points. Definitely by listening this interview, many people can improve their spoken English. And that's last question. If you want to say something more, definitely you can say, Mr. Aftab.
Yeah, can you repeat that, sir? I cannot
Actually, just I
hear
am
you.
saying that if you want to give some tips to viewer, so what tips you will give?
Again, there is a network issue. Can you repeat again? Sorry, sir. Actually,
Okay,
yeah.
that is not problem. I think Mr. Tab, just I am saying, if you want to give some tips to our viewer, then what will be that tips?
But will, as I told you, that practice is really important. If you do practice every day, then definitely you can improve your English. And also, you know, one thing, that practice makes a man perfect. We all know that practice, whether it would be your English, whether if you are preparation, anything, that practice makes a man perfect. And you know, viewers, you have to do one thing, that you should start, you know, conversation with your friend. If you are unable to find any partner, then you should, everyone has a cell phone, and you can take advantage with your cell phone, because you can start camera and you can choose any topic, and after that you start recording your voice. And after recording, then you have, what you have to done, you have to listen your voice, how to speak, and where are you mistake, where do you mistake, these things you have to listen. And you have to make these habits you know, consistency. And you will realize that in first day you were stuck too much in speaking English, but you have to see that how much improvement, and day by day you have to do that, then definitely you can improve your English. And as I told you, that listening, reading, this is also important for you. Listening is really important, because if you are going to learn any language, listening is really important. So this is the tips I have to give in my viewers, you do follow.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Aftab Bhai, for attending this interview. This was really a nice
Thank you.
interview. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy your Sunday.
Have a
Thank you.